So there's been a loud kind of grinding, whirring sound coming from my 2018 Subaru Impreza. I noticed the sound, maybe about a week or two ago, and the car has 36,000 miles on it. I hear it once I start to hit about 30 to 40 miles an hour, the sound kicks in, and then it stays pretty consistent no matter how fast I'm going. I mean, if I start to push towards 60, you can hear the sound get slightly louder, but it doesn't change all that much. I thought this was an issue with my engine, but as I got up to speed, I would put the car in neutral, watch the revs of the engine come down, and still notice the sound was there. So my initial thought is that this is probably my wheel bearing after some of the research I've done. So I'm going to drive a little bit and, hopefully you guys can hear the sound. Just going to wait till I get on the highway. You might be able to hear it better. Okay, here I am on the highway, getting up to speed a little bit now, and there it is. Hopefully you guys can hear that on my phone. Now I'm going to pop the car into neutral. You can still hear it. Go a little bit faster. And you can still hear it. Now I'm pretty sure this is a wheel bearing and not something that has to do with the exhaust or the engine, because the car, when I rev the car, the sound doesn't change, and when I put the car in neutral, the sound remains, even with the revs of the engine dropping. So that's my best guess, and I'm gonna get the car up on some jack stands and spin the wheels a little bit and try to pinpoint exactly where the sound is coming from. Okay, just had to make a little stop at Harbor Freight. Got me this 1/2-inch torque wrench and these 3-ton jack stands, and no, these are not the ones that were recalled. $65, not bad. Okay, here we go. About to jack up the car and see what's going on. Got my Pittsburgh jack, some jack stands, and then the stuff I bought at Harbor Freight. Okay, this jack is pretty awesome. It can get up the entire one side of the car entirely with just about 5 or 6 pumps, which is pretty cool. Okay, let's go a little bit more. Okay, slide this guy underneath like that. Got the paper towels down so I don't scuff up the pavement. Okay, just bring this down slowly. There we go. Okay, let's do the other side. Got this side installed. All right, so let's lower it down slowly. Let's go slow. Get up here. Go a little slow. Here we go, we're down. So you can see the tires are completely off the ground before you do this test. Very important. Start it up. Put the car into drive. Just give it a little gas. Turn the traction control off. And hopefully you can hear that sound. It is. You can hear that one humming. That one's good. Come back around. This one. Okay, you can stop for a second. All right, one more time. It's okay. There it is. You hear it? Alright guys, I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and leave me a comment and let me know if this helped you solve your wheel bearing problem. See you on the next one.